The word blush itself is really about...
Yeah, you blush naturally.
Exactly.
Well,
it awakens your
exactly,
skin,
yeah.
right? So we have a couple of different forms of blush. We have creams and we have powders. I can do a little trick. Maybe we can combine them. If your skin was a little more oily, you could put the cream blush on and then you actually almost set it with a little powder. Placement's really important. You don't want to ever put it back here.
Okay.
So you really just want to keep it in the center of the
where
face.
it naturally appears.
Where you would naturally flush. Apply like this, right onto the apple,
Yeah.
so smile a bit. You can actually put powder blush on top of this.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you a couple tricks with that. You always wanna just press and pat. If I do like
Never
this,
rub it.
no, then it's just throwing powder everywhere. Tap always, and then smile, and then also press and pat. Because you have cream blush on, it's going to take quite a bit. My favorite hack is actually to take your retractable brush. You have foundation on it. So what you can do is diffuse the foundation and then you go back over this.
Oh.
And basically what that does is it knocks down the brightness.
Yeah.
And it also sort of like melts it into your skin. Okay. So now you want to see?
Yeah,
okay,
I can't wait to see.
Look at your mirror.
It's beautiful. Color's great, and I love that it really goes into the skin. There's like...
That's my favorite hack.
I love it.